Welcome viewers to today's video. In today's video we're going to learn about the tools that we use in manicure and in pedicure. First of all, let's get to understand what is manicure and pedicure. Manicure. This is a treatment that is done to your hand. You'll have to start from the fingers up to your hand. So it's a process that it's a treatment that is done on your hands and your fingers. Pedicure. This is a treatment that is done to your leg and your toes. So today we are going to learn about the tools and the products that we're going to use during manicure and pedicure. First of all, we are going to go through the first product. As you can see, it's the surgical spirit. You're going to use the spirit to disinfect the client's hands. That is the first process that you're going to do. So you're going to take the spirit together with the cotton wool and use it. This is the massage gel that you're going to use during massaging. Its function is to reduce friction while doing the massage. Next, you're going to look at the Apricot scrub, which you use to scrub the hand or the leg. It's used to remove the dead skin cells from the leg or from the hand. Next, we're going to look at the antiseptic disinfectant that you put into the water that you're going to wash the clients or soak the client's hands and legs. Now we're going to look at the buffer, the four-sided buffer. As you can see, it's used to smoothen the nail plate. It's used to smoothen the nail plate. As you can see, it has four sides. Next, we are going to look at the soap. This is the soap that you're going to wash the client with during cleaning or soaking the hands or the legs. Next, we have the remover. It's used to remove the nail polish before you start filing or buffing. Next, we have the cotton wool. We use it to make it easy to remove the nail polish from the nail plate. So you just cut a small piece, soak it into the nail remover, then you remove the nail polish. Next, we have another type of a buffer that we still use, seven-sided buffer, which we still use it. As I've explained earlier, the buffer is used to clean or smoothen the nail plate. Next, we have the nail file. The nail file is used to balance the size, the shape of the nail that you want onto the extended nail plate. We have the Lanolin cream that is used to soften the cuticles when you're soaking the nails into the warm water, so that it can soften the cuticles to make them easy to remove. First, we use this is the nail care. So it's a base coat. We use it to apply it first of all on the nail plate before we apply the nail polish, the colored nail polish. So we apply the base coat to prevent the nail plate from being damaged by harsh nail polish. Next, we have the colored nail polish that you apply after you've applied the base coat to give the client the look that she wants to have. It must not be necessarily this color according to the client's preference. Then after you've applied the nail polish, the colored nail polish, you have to apply top coat after you've applied the nail polish to protect the nail polish from chipping off. So it protects the colored nail polish. Next, we have the toe separator. The function of the toe separator is to separate the toes during applying the nail polish so that the toes might not smudge together. Next, we have the leg or the hand brush that you're going to use to clean the leg after you've already applied some soap onto the leg that you're going to scrub with scrub. So we use it to scrub the leg and the hand. Next, we have the collars and the cone remover. It's used to remove the cone and the collars from the sole of the feet. As you can see, this place is a bit rough. It's rough. So it makes it easy for the cone or the collars to be removed from the sole of the feet. The next thing that you're going to look is the manicure set. In the manicure set, we have some tools that we are going to use mostly in manicure, pedicure, and also in facial. So the first tool on the farthest end is a nail cutter. another is a nail cutter. We have two nail cutters. One is big, another is small. So the small nail cutter, use it on the nails on your hand, and the long nail cutter, the big nail cutter, use it on the toes of your feet. Next we have the nail nipper. As you can see, it's used to cut the cuticle nipper. It's used to cut the cuticles that are hidden beneath the almost to the matrix of the nail. Next we have a scissors that we use to cut the cotton wool with. On this other side, next we have a nail file that we use to file the nails. So filing the nails, this is creating a shape that is going, instead of using the nail cutter to balance the nail, so we use the file to balance the nail and create a good shape so that it may not chip off. Next we have the poker that is used mostly on facial. On the far end we have a side which is sharp. On the other side we have a curved shape, a circular shape. So you prick the pupil or the pimple with the sharp end. Next we have tweezer that is used to remove this. The tweezer mostly is used on facial when you want to remove eyebrows. Next we have a cuticle pusher that we use to push the cuticles after we've soaked the fingers or the toes in warm water. Next we have a spatula that we use it to scoop the lanolin cream before we apply it onto the skin. Next we have a cuticle cutter that we use to cut after you've pushed the cuticles, so you don't just cut with it. No, you use the cuticle cutter to remove it from the base of the finger. Lastly, we have the cuticle nipper cutter, another extension of another type of a nail cutter that mostly you can use it to cut around the corners of the nail. Lastly, at the back we have the towel that we use to place on your laps as you're doing the manicure on the pedicure process, so that all the liquid that you're going to use is going to get into the towel. Thank you for watching. The next thing is that you're going to start with the pedicure process. Thank you.